What if you could submit one link today and still receive traffic from it 90 days from now? No daily posting, no expensive ads, no complicated SEO. Sounds impossible, right? The biggest reason most affiliate marketers fail isn't because they have bad offers. It's because nobody sees those offers. Most people spend weeks learning traffic strategies, only to end up with 0 clicks and 0 commissions. But recently, I discovered a different approach. One that focuses on continuous traffic instead of constantly chasing new traffic. Here's how it works. You submit your landing page, affiliate offer, or lead capture page. Then traffic is sent to that link over an extended period of time. The goal is simple: more exposure, more clicks, more leads, and potentially more sales. Now here's something most beginners get wrong. Never send traffic directly to an affiliate offer. Instead, send visitors to a free guide, capture their email, then follow up with valuable content and recommendations. That's exactly how many successful affiliate marketers operate. The money is often in the follow-up, not the first click. I've written complete articles explaining how continuous traffic works, which you can read immediately if you sign up to my mailing list to get this traffic product. If you're serious about getting more eyes on your offers without spending a fortune on ads, check out the guide below. Read the article and see whether this traffic strategy makes sense for your business. Link in the description.